When Monkey finishes a long week at the banana farm, he finally gets his reward, a neat stack of 100 fresh green leaves. Monkey holds them up to the sunlight like a proud parent showing off a newborn banana. It's not a fortune, but hey, monkey work, monkey earn. Simple jumble math. Except, the math stops being simple the moment Monkey notices something horrifying. The pile is smaller, like 20 leaves smaller. Monkey checks his pockets, his lunch bag, even under a passing turtle. But no, those missing leaves didn't fall. They were taken by the monkey government tax, the jungle's version of, "Surprise, you're poorer now." And this is where most monkeys start yelling things like, "What do you mean you get some of my leaves? I barely have enough to buy a banana smoothie." But whether Monkey likes it or not, every banana-loving primate in the jungle pays tax one way or another. Even the ones who think being mad counts as a loophole. Spoiler, it doesn't. Why does the monkey government do this? So they can keep the jungle running. Leaves go into everything. Banana hospitals, treehouse schools, jungle buses, vine bridges, though we probably don't need this, but it looks cool, space program. And even that one mysterious department that no monkey understands, but is somehow always in the budget. Every banana a monkey enjoys is supported by leaves taken from, well, other monkeys. Monkey logic, jungle problem. And like every society, the jungle has rules. If you enjoy the jungle, you help fund the jungle. Maybe we're just smarter monkeys chasing shinier bananas. But even shiny bananas need leaf-funded roads to roll down. The monkey jungle has many ways of collecting leaves, and honestly, it feels like every time Monkey breathes, there's a tax for it. First, the classic income tax. Monkey works, monkey earns. Monkey government yanks a slice before Monkey even touches it. Efficient, aggressive, very on brand for government silverbacks. Then comes sales tax, the sneaky one. Monkey buys one banana for one leaf, but the shopkeeper says, "Actually, it's one leaf, plus a tiny extra leaf." Monkey stares at the receipt like it personally betrayed him. "Why am I paying extra for the privilege of buying fruit?" "Because the jungle says so." Next, property tax hits when Monkey buys a treehouse. "Congratulations on your new home," says the government. "By the way, give us leaves every year or we'll pretend your treehouse doesn't exist." Charming. And don't forget capital gains tax. Monkey buys a small tree. Tree grows big. Monkey sells big tree for more leaves. Government. "Nice profit you got there. Hand it over." Monkey. "But I watered it." Government. "And we watered our pockets." There's corporate tax for big banana companies. Inheritance tax for when grandpa leaves Monkey a golden banana chest. And environmental tax for monkeys who accidentally destroy half the jungle by inventing leaf coin mining. Even luxury tax exists. If a monkey can afford a gold-plated hammock, the government assumes he clearly can afford extra tax leaves too. The wildest part? Jungle terrace. If Monkey imports fancy bananas from another tribe, the government taxes them so hard the bananas arrive bruised from stress. Every 20 seconds, a monkey somewhere shouts, "BRO, why so many taxes?" But the real answer is simple. The jungle needs many streams to keep the banana river flowing. Monkey confused, jungle thrilled. When monkeys hear tax brackets, their brains usually shut down faster than a banana stand after a hurricane. They imagine something terrifying like, "If I earn 100,000 leaves, the monkey government takes 22%, which means I lose 22,000 leaves." And then Monkey screams, throws his calculator into the river, and vows never to work again. But that's not how brackets work. Not in the jungle, not anywhere. Picture this. Monkey earns leaves in layers, like stacking banana pancakes. The first little stack, say the first 10,000 leaves, gets taxed at 0%. Free bananas. The next layer, maybe the next 40,000 leaves, gets taxed at 12%. Annoying, but survivable. Only the top, final layer, the fancy banana topping, gets hit with a higher 22% tax. The government doesn't steal 22% of everything, only the upper slice. But Monkey panic is strong. Monkey looks at his paycheck and says, "If I earn more leaves, I'll pay more tax, so I'll actually have less." That's called jungle math anxiety, also called completely wrong. Let's say Monkey earns 100,000 leaves. Jungle tax math. First 10,000 leaves 0% tax. Next 40,000 leaves 12% tax. Last 50,000 leaves 22% tax. Total tax, 15,800 leaves. Not 22,000. Not. My whole paycheck. Not. Monkey government stole everything including the banana peels. And here's the hook all monkeys need tattooed on their tails. A higher bracket only taxes the leaves inside that bracket, not your entire pile. This is why jungle elders say, climb higher, the tree doesn't eat you, only part of your bananas. Monkey fear makes bad math. Government fear makes worse. Filing taxes is the moment every monkey realizes adulthood is just doing homework for the monkey government. First, monkey must count how many leaves he earned this year. Thankfully, monkey's job usually sends him a total leaves report, which is basically a piece of bark that says, here, this is what you made. Good luck surviving. Next, monkey checks how many leaves were already taken. The job keeps track of this too, which is great because monkey's personal record-keeping system is usually one scribble on a leaf plus one lost leaf plus one banana stain. Then comes the sacred jungle ritual known as deductions. These are the leaves monkey spent to earn more leaves. Things like uniforms, tools, paying for a course on how not to fall off a ladder level 2, or travel for monkey business trips. But monkey always pushes it too far. Can I deduct this banana massage chair? No. What about this gaming vine? No. My emotional support pineapple? No. Stop. Only actual work expenses count. Jungle rules. Once monkey gathers all this info, he sends it to the monkey government through a jungle portal, formerly a wooden box, now replaced by an app called Leaf File that crashes every 3 minutes. The government reviews everything, subtracts deductions, calculates tax owed, and reveals monkey's fate. If monkey underpaid, he owes more leaves. If monkey overpaid, congratulations, monkey gets a leaf refund, which feels like a free gift even though it was literally monkey's own leaves returning home like runaway children. But beware, if something looks suspicious, monkey gets audited. That's when a giant silverback inspector appears with glasses sliding down his nose, whispering, why did you deduct 17 banana smoothies in one day? Monkey panic, government calm, entire jungle watching. Now comes the part every jungle loves to gossip about. How rich monkeys seem to glide through the tax vines like they're covered in banana oil. While normal monkeys earn leaves by working, rich monkeys earn leaves by owning things. Tree houses, banana stalks, rare collectible coconut shells, anything that grows in value while they nap. When they sell these things for more leaves than they paid, it's called a capital gain. And the monkey government, for some mysterious reason written somewhere in ancient jungle scrolls, taxes capital gains less than regular work. So a banana billionaire pays a smaller leaf percentage than a farm monkey who spent all day dragging banana carts uphill. Monkey logic, human problem. Rich monkeys also use something called negative gearing. That's when a monkey buys a treehouse that costs more leaves to maintain than it earns in rent. It's losing leaves, but the jungle lets that loss count as a deduction. Rich monkey, I lost leaves. Government, amazing, have a tax discount. Meanwhile, regular monkey loses one leaf and the jungle says, tough bananas. But the jungle is bigger than one tribe. Some monkey countries have high tax rates. Japan, Finland, Australia. Others are leaf havens where taxes are zero, like the Cayman Islands or Dubai. Antarctica also has 0%, but only because no monkeys live there. Only penguins, and they don't earn leaves. Taxes have always been chaos. In ancient jungle history, banana taxes caused riots. Some monkeys insisted bananas were necessities. Others insisted they were luxuries. One wrong answer and boom, straight to jungle jail. Still, taxes don't have to be terrifying. Monkey can track spending, keep receipts, avoid claiming emotional support fruit, and maybe hire a monkey tax accountant, whose fees are, hilariously, often tax deductible. In the end, two things in the jungle will always be certain: death and taxes, and someone stealing your banana when you're not looking. So 3 things, maybe 4. The real wisdom? Maybe wealth isn't about hoarding more bananas. Maybe it's understanding how many bananas you truly need, and how to keep the government from taking all of them.